Hi everyone, myself Dr. Lakshmi Prasad, working as an associate professor in the Department of Data Science in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this video, I am going to discuss about managing of R packages. So while installing R, we need so many packages that are going to be needed. So some of the packages should be the fundamental to R, and the code, data, documentation, test bundle together able to make a package. So there should be around the 6,000 packages available in CRAN. So that means comprehensive R archive network. So and these packages are going to be available for a wide range of analysis. So if you are going to be working on particular analysis, there is a high chance that someone has already done the analysis and shared the package on CRAN. So the library is the directory that able to contains all the packages installed, and there will be more than one R library in our system. So we can able to check these libraries by using the command .libpaths of. So it is going to be written the path of the library. Okay, so library is the directory, so that contains all the packages involved, and there will be more than one or library in our system. So we can able to check these libraries by using the function libpaths of. So if I'm going to specify libpaths of, then I can able to get the libraries like this. So these are the libraries that is going to be needed for our program. Then install packages. So how can able to know what are the packages involved installed in our studio? So for this, install dot packages of function is going to be used to check whether the R packages are already installed or not. So the syntax for that one is that install dot packages of function. If I'm going to type this, then you can able to know that so whether the packages installed in different libraries in our system. Okay, so in order to know that the packages what are installed in our libraries, okay, so that one will be known by make use of this install.packages of function. So this install.packages is the syntax, and it should be a function. We should be able to know what are the packages that are installed in our system. And in order to check these packages installed in a particular library and specify, we have to specify the location of the library like lib.location option. Okay, so where we have to be installed these packages, so where you can able to identify that. So for that, what is the syntax for that one is that so install dot packages of lib.loc equal to path to library. So here install our packages in order to install where this packages are going to be installed that, so we have to specify that one. So example, so install dot packages lib.location library.location where I have to install this packages on the. So this path I have to mention. So F drive and then folder, within the R folder I have to install all these libraries that are needed for the R programming. And install package, so how are going to be install these packages. So for that we need a command called install.packages of to install the new R packages. So what is the syntax for that one is that so install.packages of, you have to specify which package is going to be installed in that one. You have to mention the package name. So for that, install.packages of ggplot. So I want to know, so the packages that is going to be installed is ggplot2. So if I want to install this package, so I have to mention this name of the package here. So the function what I'm going to need is so install the packages of, and name of the package I'm going to install is that ggplot2. So the package name should be surrounded by single or double quotation. So install package, so use the install.packages is the function to in order to install the new package that is going to be installed in our system. This the syntax is that so install.packages of package name, and here example is that install.packages of ggplot2. So if we want to install a package to particular library, so I have to make use of this lib command to specify the path of the library. So syntax is that so install dot packages of, I have to mention the package name and library So path to library. So this is the syntax for installing the packages in a particular library. Okay, suppose previously I installed the packages ggplot2. See the example. So installed our packages, and this is the package name. So where we have to be installed this one, where is the location, that means so lib path to library I have to specify. So what is the path? So f colon r and win library. So ggplot2 will be installed in the mentioned library. So like this we have to be installed the packages in a specified location. And next one is that loading packages. So how we are going to be load the packages? So by making use of this library function, I can able to load the packages. Okay, so but the package must be loaded before the functions in the package can be used. So what are the package we are going to be loaded? So before the functions in the package itself we can able to use it. So a syntax is that, so library of package name, so library of ggplot2. So in order to load the packages, so what I'm going to need is that, so we have to use library of function to load the packages, and what package I'm going to be installed, we have to specify the name of the package. And another function we are going to have, that is required function. So required function is the another method in order to load the packages, but it is not advisable to use it, because so by reading this article by Hey, so to understand why should not use to require. So because so the requires tries to load the package, whereas library of loads the package. Okay, require tries to load the package, whereas library loads the package. So that is the difference between the require and then library. So the require function means always going to tries what is the package that is going to be loaded. So whereas this library function always load the package. So the syntax for this one is require of package name. So require of ggplot2. So like this we can able to install the packages in our RStudio. And next function we are going to have, that is auto load. So what is auto load? So the auto load going to load the packages only whenever it is called in the script itself. Suppose if I am going to do some analysis, but I am not sure that we are going to use the functions in particular package. So in this case what I am going to say, that is you have to tell to load the package only whenever going to call the function or the data from the package. Suppose that what is the syntax for that is auto load ggplot2. So R does not load ggplot2 right way, but instead load it when I'm going to use any of the functions from the ggplot2 in course of our analysis. So auto load is another function that is going to be load the package whenever I'm going to call in the script itself. Okay, so how I can able to call this loading that particular package in our programming is auto load. So auto load of the package name is the ggplot2 I'm going to mention. So the R does not load this one right away, but instead of that we can able to load it from any of the functions in our analysis. So see this whether the ggplot2 has been loaded, and it will not be appear in the search bar. So at that time what I have to do is I have to make use the function search of. So by making use of this search of, so I can able to know that what are the packages that are available in ggplot2. I can able to read it out. So some of the packages like stats, utils, auto load, and package graph, and package data set, and package base, like this. So these are the some of these functions that are available in ggplot2 going to be load the packages. Okay, so suppose if something ggplot2 is unable to load this means, so based on the search function I can able to know so which one is going to be loaded into that. And next function is that, so what are the available packages that are available for installing you want to know means, so I can make use of this available dot packages of. So by making use of this available dot packages of, I can able to know what are the list of packages still available for installing in RStudio. So I can able to mention like available. So if I'm going to write this like search package auto load like this I can able to see. So which one is going to be installed, whether the search package I have to install or I have to install autoload package. So based on that we can able to install the packages in our art studio. And in order to know what are the old packages that are available in our system, I have to know. So for that we have to be know the function old dot packages of. So this old dot packages of function is going to be used to list the packages that have whether new functions new versions is available or not, that should be need to be updated or not, I want to know. So the syntax is that old dot packages of. So if I'm going to write this, so I can able to know what are the packages with latest version and new version is available. So whether which package is going to be updated and which package is noted to be outdated and which package is not to be re-updated. So all those details I can able to know this by make use of this old dot packages of method. So this old dot packages of method is going to be used to know the what are the new versions are available that is need to be updated. And next one is that new packages of. So how can able to know whether some of the new packages that are not installed in our system, so how can able to know that means by make use of this new dot packages of function. So this new dot packages of function is going to be used to list the packages that have not been installed in our system. So till now I have installed some 10 packages I installed. So in this one the 3 and 4 and 5 is still not yet installed, and still what are the new packages that is going to be installed, like this I can able to know that. So new dot packages list have not going to specify the packages that is not installed in our system, and at the same time how can I able to know that. So new dot packages of function. Next one is update package of. So update package of is going to be used, so which packages are going to be updated, that means if a new version is going to be available. Suppose if I'm going to have a package like P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. So this is the old version and this is the new version, this is outdated and again old, new. So by making use of the update of packages we can able to know that whether this should be old package or new package or outdated package. So whether how to be outdated means again how to apply update of. So in order to know that whether the package is updated or not, and this one also old package also need updation, right? So by making use of this update of packages method we can able to install the update packages, the new version is going to be available. So the function is that update dot packages, and example is also same. Then I want to remove the some of the packages installed in RStudio. For that I have to make use of remove dot packages of function. So by make use of this function I can able to remove the installed packages. So what is the syntax for that one is remove dot packages. I have to mention the package name. So previously I installed ggplot2 package, so I can able to remove that. So by make use of remove dot packages of ggplot2. So specify the library which one we able to remove the package using library. So remove dot packages of package name and path to library I have to specify. So the remove dot packages is going to be also available in our programming. So suppose if I want to remove the packages out of P1, P2, P3, P4, I want to remove this package. So at that time what I have tried it. So remove function dot packages of P2 I have to mention, so that this package is going to be removed from the library. So previously I installed ggplot2, right? So that one only I am going to be removed. Then how are going to be install these packages from Siran? So these packages are going to be installed by make use of this function install dot packages of function. So the syntax for that one is install dot packages of a package name. So again I want to install this ggplot2. So in order to install this from Siran I can able to install it. So at that time I want to make use of install dot packages of. So by making use of this install the packages of, command I can able to install the packages what I need in our studio. And what are some other ways we can able to install the packages? So we can also be install the packages from GitHub. So some of the R packages is going to be available in GitHub, so before going to be attempted and made available at CRAN. So such packages are going to be installed on GitHub using dev tools, so which was developed by the Hardly GitHub. So install and load the dev tools from the CRAN. So what are the steps for that one is, so install packages of dev tools and what are the libraries of dev tools. So install underscore GitHub function is available from the dev tools package, which can be used for installing the packages from the GitHub, and we'll see this one next slide how we can able to install that. Okay, so we can able to install these packages from the GitHub as well. Which should be accepted and which should be available. So before going to be installed from GitHub, so what I'm going to say that is, so this one is going to be made available in CRAN itself before going to be installed from GitHub. So such packages must be installed from GitHub by make use of this dev tools package and install and load this dev tools from CRAN. So install our packages of dev tools and this library of dev tools. These are the steps you have to be followed. And install underscore GitHub function is going to be used from dev tools in order to make installation from the GitHub. So once they are going to be installing this dev tools package, you can able to download the package from the GitHub. So by make use of install underscore GitHub function. So what is the syntax for that is, so install underscore GitHub, so package name and then username you have to be specified. Okay, so after installing the dev tools package, so what you have to do is you have to be download any of the package made available from the GitHub. So by using install underscore GitHub function. So install underscore GitHub function, specify this package name and we have to specify the username. So syntax, see that install underscore GitHub and the package name is this one and username is this one. So like this we can able to install the package from the GitHub. And next one is that how are going to be install this package from RForge. So many R packages are going to be hosted by RForge, which is the platform for development of R packages, and we have to be install the packages, package name and repository like rforge.rproject.org. So example, so install packages, install.packages, and repository is that rforge.rproject.org. So we have to be install these packages from RForge as well, but because the many of the R packages are going to be hosted by RForge, so which should be a platform for the development of R packages. And what is the syntax for installing this means, so install.packages, so we have to mention the package name and repository. So the site what I'm going to mention here is that rforge.rproject.org. So see the example like install that package. So this is the package name I'm going to be installed, so where I can able to get from the repository of rforge.rproject.org. And next option is that we can able to install the packages from the bioconductor as well. So the bioconductor is going to be provide the tools for the analysis and comprehension of high throughput geomic data. So the bioconductor packages can be installed using bio-CLightoff. Okay, this bioconductor is going to provide the tools for analysis and comprehension of high throughput geomic data. So the bioconductor packages can be installed using bio-CLightoff. So we have to be installed bioconductor, and the source is that, so the bioconductor.org/bio-light.org. So this is the source where you can able to install the bioconductor, and bio-CLightoff function is going to be used for installing the bioconductor. So once this one is installed, then we have to be installed from specific packages like bio-CLightoff geometry geomic features. So these are the some of the packages that should be installed from the bioconductor. So these are the some of the packages that are going to be installed in our studio. So Siran is the one of the famous repository that is going to hold some 6,000 packages, so comprehensive or archive network. So the Siran full form is that comprehensive or archive network, which is going to be hold 6,000 packages. And how can able to install these packages? So first of all, we have to be know the library directory where the packages is going to be installed. So that is the step one. So in step one, you have to be know the library paths where have to install all these library packages. So the path is that how can able to know? So by make use of lib paths of function, I can able to know where these packages are going to be installed. And so how can able to know where are the packages installed already in our system, in our studio means, so by making use of this install dot packages of function. So by making use of this install dot packages of function, I can able to know what are the packages installed in our system. And so where can able to where the packages are loaded in our system, what is the location for that I want to know. So for that I have to make use of this lib dot location function. So this is the step 2. So where the packages are installed, where is the location of that, I have to know it. Then how are going to install the package? So for this we are going to need a function called install dot packages of. So by making use of this install dot packages of function, you can able to install the new packages. So I am taking the example of ggplot2 package, I want to install it. So where is that location? So similarly lib. So lib is the location where path through the library where the package is going to be installed. And next one is that loading packages, how the package is going to be load, not load function. Here we have to make use of this library of function. So library of function I have to make use of, and we have to mention the package name. And next one is that require of. So require of is also another method, but it is not going to be advisable. Why? Because this require is tries to load the package from the site, whereas this libraries load the package directly automatically. So for the syntax for this one is that require of package name. And next one is that auto load of function. This auto load of function is going to be used to load the package only when it is going to be used in the script. So that means auto load of ggplot2. So that means or does not load ggplot2, and when it is going to be used any of the functions from ggplot2 in the course, then we have to make use of auto load. And so in order to know this what are the packages involved installed in ggplot, I have to know that by making use of this search of function is going to be used. So this search of function is going to be used to know that where are the packages installed in that one. And next one is that what are the available packages I want to know. So for that I want to make use of this available dot packages of function that is going to be used for installing. And old packages, so what are the old packages that are already installed, so which one is going to be updated, I want to know that. So in order to know that I have to make use of the function or old dot packages of. And next one is what are the new packages that is going to be installed in our system, I want to know. So for that what I have to need is a new dot package of function is going to be used. It is going to be displayed what are the new packages that are involved, so that is going to be installed in our art studio, I can able to know it. And next one is update packages. So update packages means that already we have some of the packages in our system, so out of 6,000. So in this some of the packages may be outdated, some of the packages may be new, some of the packages may be old. So sometimes it may be there may be a chance to update the old packages, or I can update this outdated packages as well. So how can I able to do that? So for that I have to make use of this updated packages. So some packages are no longer needed, so I'm unable to use that. So at that time what I have to do is I have to make use of this remove dot packages of method, so which is going to be used And how can able to delete, that means remove dot packages of, and package name how to mention it. So what is the package name I mentioned? That should be gg font. And next one is installing packages from Siran. So installing packages from Siran is that, so we can able to install the packages from Siran by make use of method like install.packages of. So by mentioning this and install the packages of, we have to mention the package name what is going to be installed from Siran. And second one is how we're going to be install the packages from GitHub, right? So in order to do this, we have to be know the first dev tools package. So first we have to be install and load the dev tools package from Siran. Then only you have to be uh, extract the functions like a GitHub function to install from the GitHub. Then only the packages what is going to be installed from the GitHub is going to be used here. So once this one is completed, like install packages of dev tools, and I want to know what is the library package that are available. So after that we have to be make use of this install underscore GitHub function to specify the package name and username. So based on that we can able to install the packages from the RStudio. And installing the package from RForge, so that means we can able to manage this R packages mostly by RForge platform only. It should be the development of R packages. So how can able to know that means, so we have to be know this package name and where this package is going to be get it, what should be the repository name, I have to mention it. Suppose if I want to install this package name and the repository name is this, so that I can able to install this package from this repository. And last one is that how we're going to be install the packages from bioconductor. So bioconductor means this is the under platform which is going to be provide the tools from the analysis and comprehension throughput of genomic data here. So okay, so genomic data, so the bioconductor package can be installed and it can be using by make use of bioclide function. So remember this function. So if you want to install this packages from bioconductor, okay, so first of all I have to install this bioconductor. So how can I able to do that, get this bioconductor package? So source of, so http bioconductor.org bioclide.org, and I can able to specify bioclide of package. So once this bioconductor package is installed, so next what we have to do is, so we have to be install the specific packages. So how we can able to mention the specific packages? Bioclide of genomic features. By make use of this genomic features, I can able to install the packages from it. So like this we are going to be install the packages from the bioconductor. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.